Hello, Miss Marie. Again, this is the network test of VOOV. So I'm clicking the network test. Sorry. Yeah. I wait. So the time taken for TNS is 0. CPU memory test again. Okay, this is the quality monitoring test. Let me close that. Let me exit. And then here is the network test also. Okay, I think it's consistent po yung time taken for DNS. Okay, this one.